Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make banana bread. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this banana bread recipe you'll need 1 cup of self-rising flour, but if you're using all-purpose flour you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you'll need half a cup of cooking oil, 2 eggs, a third cup of milk, a quarter cup of sugar, and some 3 bananas. Make sure your bananas are well ripened, so you're going to mash them using a fork until they are well mashed. After mashing the bananas, they'll be as shown in the video, and you can also add sugar if the quarter cup of sugar is not enough for you. Then you're going to crack in some 2 eggs into the banana and mix that well until it is well combined. After mixing the egg and the bananas, you're going to add the other ingredients, which is half cup of cooking oil. Then you're going to add in your sugar, which is quarter cup of sugar, and then you're going to add in milk, a third cup of milk. Then you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. After that, you're going to mix all the ingredients well until they're well combined. Last, you are going to add in the 1 cup of self-rising flour. Then you're going to sieve as shown in this video. The aim of sieving is to remove any lumps formed while mixing the cake batter. At this point, make sure you have preheated your oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Don't put your cake to bake without preheating the oven. You'll give a good mix to your cake batter until it is smooth. Then you're going to transfer it in a baking tin, which I've already lined it with a baking paper. You then pat to remove excess air bubbles. After that, you're going to bake the cake on a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes, your cake should be ready. You'll remove it from the oven and let it cool completely before removing it on the baking tin. When the cake is completely cool, you're going to cut it so that you can see how it turned out inside. As you can see, our cake turned out so well. It looks so moist and soft. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted. And don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share with others so that they can learn to make their banana bread at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.